Pops, what you doing?
Just thinking through some mental models. What you up to, Sonny?
I just came back from my first day of working my lemonade stand. Would you be interested in investing $20, Pops? I need to buy more lemons and perhaps a portable fan. It's mighty hot out there.
Sure. Read this book and prove to me that you're worth investing in. It's called Poor Charlie's Almanack. I'll double your ask if you can show me you've got what it takes. I'll give you 1 day for the first chapter.
First, be reliable. Second, educate yourself with the experiences of intelligent people. Third, invert the affirmative or work backwards to rethink problems and potential solutions. Fourth, stay objective. Fifth, don't give up in the face of adversity. Whew, that's a lot to prove in less than 24 hours. First, I showed up every day at 9 a.m. sharp for the past 7 days. Here's my calendar and my dad as a witness. Second, I educated myself on how to make the perfect lemonade. I only use organic lemons. Third, I changed my business hours to 5 p.m. instead of 9 a.m. I asked myself instead of, when is the best time to sell, to when is the worst time to sell, and decided not to open during morning rush hour. Fourth, I asked 10 of my friends to taste my new recipe to stay objective. I had tasted so many lemons that my tongue was numb. Fifth, the 24-hour time constraint was stressful, but I put my best foot forward.
Did you bring the product itself?
Sure did, prepared as can be.
Well done. I'll invest $40 into your lemonade stand. I expect to see my principal and a 100% return back on my desk by the end of next week.
And that, my friends, is the real start of Pierce's lemonade stand.